I'm Jackie. Your light doesn't work, but all the other lights on the same circuit do. It might be time to replace the switch. Now, before you call an electrician, let me show you how easy this job can be, and here's how. We're replacing a light switch that controls the light from only one location. When you're ready to get going, it's always very important to turn your circuit breaker off and also label which switch you're working with so that no one turns it back on. Now we're ready to install our shiny new switch, and I know it seems simple, but remember to make sure it's facing the right way up. Connect the two hot live black wires to the screws. The same way that you took them off, you're gonna wanna put them right back on, and the same thing goes for the copper ground wire. Just wrap it on around the screw and tighten it up. Once all your wires are in place, it's always a good idea to wrap some electrical tape around the screws and the wires for extra insulation. All right, the hardest part is over. Now all you have to do is attach the switch back to the box using the two long screws. Before you put the cover plate back on, you're gonna wanna make sure your switch works. So turn your circuit breaker on and flip the switch. Victory! And that's all there is to it. So proud of myself. For more easy and stress-free DIY projects, Lowe's.com.